Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Fire TV device easy guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Amazon Fire TV device from its packaging. Take note of all the included components such as the device, remote, power adapter, and HDMI cable. Locate your television's HDMI ports. Choose an available HDMI port on your television. Connect the Fire TV device to that HDMI port using the provided HDMI cable. Plug the power adapter into the Fire TV device and connect it to a power outlet. Turn on your television using the remote. Switch your TV input to the HDMI port where the Fire TV is connected. You should see the Fire TV logo on the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the setup process. Select your desired language from the options provided. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by entering your Wi-Fi password. If prompted, ensure your Fire TV is connected to the internet. Sign in to your Amazon account or create a new one if necessary. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Customize your device settings as prompted, including parental controls if needed. Your Fire TV will automatically check for updates. Once updated, you'll see the home screen of your Fire TV. Explore the various apps and channels available. Start watching your favorite shows and movies on your new Fire TV device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.